Hey, this is Josh here, and we sell a ton of Stihl trimmers, and everybody who gets them loves these things. But I wanted to teach you guys how to reload the Autocut 25-2 trimmer head today. It comes on all the Stihl trimmers, and it's a great functioning head, but we always get the question, how do I reload this thing? So we're going to start with showing you how to take the cap off. What we're going to do is we need to depress this tab right here, which is done by placing my thumb in here and pushing in and prying out. Pushing in and prying out. Now taking off the cap. Let's remove the spool. I'm going to get rid of this old line that's on here currently. Spin this around, empty this out. Alright, now that we've emptied this, let's grab our new line. So I have here a piece that I've already cut. We're going to use a little over 3 arm lengths. So 2, 3, and either I have 4 arm lengths or the guy that gave me this is much taller than I am. Let's go with the fact that he's much taller than I am. Okay, still one piece. Going to grab the ends of the trimmer line. Now what I have to do is place each piece, each side, in one of these slots, just like this, okay? There's an arrow here telling me which way to turn it, which way to load it. Ignore that, or not. Really what you have to do is come backwards and set the hook or lock it in place, as you can see. Once I have done that, I'm gonna face this knob towards me, feeding it between my thumb and my middle finger. My index finger is kind of my brake, just like this. And then I start the process of winding, just like so. Keeping it fairly tight, but not overly tight. I'd say the word would be taut. A couple things I like about this Stihl trimmer head is, one, there's a divider the whole way that keeps it from getting wrapped up on top of itself. Second, the spring is retained, so I don't have to worry about, I'm wrapping myself up here, there we go. So I don't have to worry about losing that spring. And then the third is, right here, when we get to the end, remember I was putting on 3 arm lengths, or 4, depending on the height of the operator. Okay, I'm gonna lock up one piece, I'll call that the top piece. I'm going to come around 180 degrees and lock up the bottom piece. So it looks something like that. Now I'm going to grab my Stihl pruners, cut that in the middle. Now to put it back in place. Flip the machine over so I'm looking down into the trimmer head. Set the spool in place, push down, twist. That's about as close as I'm going to get to lining it up. If I go any further, it pops up. So line up about to right there. Keep my thumb on there to keep it depressed. Feed out. Twist it 180 degrees. Feed out. Take your cap. Put it in one side first. Push in this tab. Click it in place. Pull out on the trimmer line. I've got way too much. We're going to trim it off at the trim blade, and good to go. Just like that, you have now loaded your Stihl Autocut 25-2 head.